Hello beautiful people, I am Upasana Taneja and in today's video we have a question where we need to find the area of this triangle. We are given a right angle triangle, okay? We need to find the area of this triangle. But what do we know about it? For finding the area of any triangle, we should know base and height. Right angle triangle this is. So we should know base and height. So we can apply formula half times base times height, right? But otherwise, if we are not given base and height, we are only given that the radius of this circle is this circle. The radius of this circle is what? 1 unit. Okay, we don't know whether it is meter or centimeter. So we'll just say 1 unit. Okay, so what do we need to do? We need to find the area. Okay, so what will I do for finding the area? I know that radius is 1. So if I join this, okay, this is also 1, right? And if I join this is also 1, right? And since we know that these two are tangents on the circle, this line and this is also a line tangent on the circle, right? So if this is a tangent, these two will be equal. And since this is 90-degree angle, this is 90 degree because when we join radius to the tangent, we get 90 degree here. This is also 90 degree and this is 90 degree, right? If all these are 90 degree, that means this is a square. If it is a square, that means this is 1 and this is 1, right? So if now I know the area of this portion, okay? Now I know the area of this square. What my job, if I want to find the area of complete triangle, what is my job then? My job is to find the area of these two portions, right? So what will I do now? If I join this point to this point, okay, and I join this point to this point, right? Okay, so I say that this is A1 and this is A2. Okay, area of this is a triangle, right? This is a triangle, okay? And I say this is A3 and this is A4, right? Okay, so an area of this is A, suppose we say. So area of complete triangle, so AT, I say AT, that will be equal to A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4 plus A. If I add all these areas, I will get the area of complete triangle, right? Okay, so if you look at this triangle, I say this point is A, okay, this is B, this is C. If you look at ABC triangle, then we have, for this triangle, we have this base as well. This is base, right? We have this base and we have this height. Base times height, we can find the area of ABC, right? And if you look at this thing, this A1 and A3, we need to find the area of these as well, okay? Now we will look at two triangles. First, you can say this is D. If you look at triangle ACD, and this we say E, okay? And triangle AEC, these both are congruent. These both are what? Congruent. Why they are congruent? Because this side is equal to this side. Yes, okay. This side is common. Yes, yes. And this, if we see this is a tangent. CE is a tangent on this circle and CD is also the tangent on the circle from the same point C. So CD is equal to, this side is equal, right? And this side is equal to this side. So by side rule, these two triangles are congruent. So area A1 will be equal to area A2, right? Okay, so what can I do? Instead of A1, can I write A2 here? Yes, because A1 and A2 are equal, right? Okay, now you look at this triangle. If I say this is F, Look at triangle AFB and triangle AEB. Okay, so this is a right angle triangle, this is a right angle triangle. This side is equal to this side. One side is equal, yes. Second side is also equal, this side. Why is it equal? Because this is the common side, yes. And this third side, this one and this one, they are also equal. Why? Because they are tangent from the same point on the circle, right? So that means these two triangles are also congruent. These two triangles are also congruent. That means area A3 is equal to area A4 because both areas will be equal. So what can I do in my main equation? What can I do here? Instead of A3, can I write A4? Yes. Why? Because A3 and A4 are equal. Now finally we have AR or AT. We need to find area of complete triangle, that is AT, that is equal to 2A2 plus 2A4 plus A. Right? Okay. So 2 we can take common. In bracket we can take A2 plus A4 plus A. Right? Now if you look at this A2 plus A4, this thing, A2 and A4. If you look at this thing, what do you get here? If you see these two, if we join them, A2 plus A4, we can find the area. How? Because this is also a triangle, ABC, right? Okay, and area of triangle ABC is half times base times height. Base is 6 units and height is 1 unit, right? And what is this area of A? This is a square and area of square is side times side, right? So 1 times 1 is 1, okay? Now we will just solve it, and this is equal to 2 times 3 plus 1. So 6 plus 1, that is 7 units. So now we have found out the area of this triangle, right? So this was not hard at all. We just need to practice these types of questions, okay? So if you wanna see more videos of this type, you can visit my channel. I have many Maths Olympiad questions. I have concepts and short tricks on my channel. Do visit and share your reviews. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. See you in next video.